Makeup Minions, I'm Witte from Witte Artistry, and happy Halloween! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any new videos. This makeup is a very special one because it's a character I've been planning for a long time, and it is a video sponsored by Moda Brushes with a giveaway at the end. So stay tuned to get some awesome brushes that I used in this makeup look. Let's begin. A very special thank you to my featured patrons, Bradley Shear, Dantastic. Thank you so much for having my back in such a big way. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Moda Brushes, so I'm going to be using their brushes for this look primarily, along with their sponges. This is a character called Hex that I've been designing for a couple of years now. I've been putting together the costume, so it finally happened, guys. I am sealing my eyebrows with some Elmer's washable glue, and I'm going to be laying down some eye primer potion that I'm going to be using to lay eyeshadows down on top of. So I'm just using a variety of MŌDA sponges for this. Now we're going to use the Domed Shadow BMD brush just to lay down some white shadow on the eyes to set them. And then we're going to bust out some of our water activated body paint. It's white with a hint of black in it, so it's like a muted gray, and we're just going to stipple that all over the face. Get a nice baseline going, nice little bit of texture. Make sure you get all of your pores covered, and then we're gonna use the Mint Chocolate Angle Blender to start creating some ooky spooky contouring. I wanted my Hex to look like a Voodoo priestess, but also have like reminiscent features of like a skull and like gaunting and like a haunt makeup. So I am going to be using some powdered makeup, a Star Blender from Mayron, and the Totally Electric Crease brush, and I'm just adding it into my, where you would normally do contouring. So underneath my cheekbones, where my cheeks recede, I am just creating a very harsh contour, feathering it out, and now using a diffuser brush just to blend it out further. Now we're going to use the same stuff up in our temples to make it all gaunt, then use the beautiful eye shader in those areas again, just to blend everything out a little bit more. Then with the Mint Chocolate Detail brush, I'm going to be getting the white really close up to my eyes. With the Totally Electric Detail brush, I am going to fill in the eyes up to the edge of the eyeshadow with white body paint. And then with some really dark black eyeshadow from my Urban Decay palette, I'm going to go into the crease of my eye and then blend it out with the Beautiful Eyes Angle Eyeshadow brush. Now we're just going to use this brush to blend out that eyeshadow. We're going to basically make a super smoky eye. Just blend, blend, blend upwards and outwards out to the outer corner. I love this brush. I use this brush throughout the entire look. Now we're going to extend that eyeshadow all the way around the eye sockets to create those sunken, gaunt looking, skeleton-like eyeballs. Tappity tap, blend, blend. Emphasize your cheekbones some more, and I'm feathering it out a little bit because it was a little too dark in the center. Add some more black into your outer corner of that eyelid. This is when that beauty aspect starts coming in here. I'm adding a lot of black to that outer corner just to get some depth with that smoky eye. Then with the Crease smudge brush, I'm going to be emphasizing the top of the eye sockets. I wanted them to be more angular and more angry to fit the whole like skull look I was going for. Then we're going to be creating some evil looking eyebrows just with a little bit of shadow on the upper outward part of our brow bone. And then we're going to create little angry creases on the inside of her nose. To make your character look more gaunt and ooky spooky, this is a haunt tip I've learned. You scrunch your face up really, really tightly, and then you take a light gray eyeshadow and just feather over those wrinkles. It will make all of the areas that are raised darker, and then there'll be little white lines that appear in between it. So it makes your character look older. It also makes them look creepier. Then with a fine liner brush, I'm going to use black body paint and create snake nostrils. Add some more black eyeshadow to your cheekbones, and then I'm going to be using a chip brush just to flick paint all over my face. This is a light gray. I wanted to break up the texture of my skin tone and make it a little more creepy, and just add a couple of little splotches here and there. Then with the SM eye shader brush, thank you, I am adding dark black into the crease again, and then I'm going to bring it down onto my lower lid. Then blend out that lower lid with the Total Electric brush. Blend, blend, blend. Make it nice and feathery. this is dramatic. This is a dramatic look we're going for, so you don't need to be too careful. Add some mascara, make those eyelashes pop, and also just because I have blonde hair, they kind of stand out on the black eyes. Then with a fine liner brush, we are going to use black body paint and create these very precise lines. First, I'm doing eyeliner on both eyes with this black body paint. And then I'm creating these long spider-like projections going down my face. And I'm making sure that the line is following the contours of the illusion I have created. So on the brow bone, the bump of the line is going to stick out and then recede a little bit on the forehead. And then the cheekbone, they're gonna rise up in like a hump and then recede into the depths and the cheekbones. I wanted the lines to be super pointed and fade out at the ends, so that's just what I'm doing here. This part requires a lot of precision, so take your time. It's worth it, I promise. And don't stab yourself in the eye. Oh, I have contacts in now too, by the way. I ended up having to change one of my contacts to a red one because I have different shaped eyes. So some of the contacts usually don't work too well for me. So I ended up switching to a creepy red one that I thought matched the aesthetic of the character a little bit better. Anyway, so it worked out in my favor. I have two different colored eyes here because I thought it would be extra creepy that way. Now we're gonna use red with a fine liner brush and create a little plus sign on her nose and another little slash going across. I'm also adding earrings, so with little dots and little X's, I'm adding those and adding little highlights. Fill in with that EZGlam Flat Lip brush. I am putting black body paint in my lips. I wanted to create a really intense glam lip look that also is pointed, so it's like very Halloween-esque and has an extended corner, just so you can get some like really creepy effects when you smile. So now I'm creating the points, lining the lips, and extending the smile on both sides. Also continuing the whole voodoo look thing, I'm taking that muted red tone from my nose and I'm gonna drag it down my chin. I have also sealed the look just because it prevents cracking. So the pointed liner brush, I'm going to drag that red down my chin as well, and then fill in all of the areas just on the edges of the lips back with that white and like speckled color. And voila, you are done. I love this character. I made so many videos with this. Let me know what you guys think. Happy Halloween, and thank you so much, MŌDA, for collaborating. Stay tuned, guys. Giveaway information coming in 3, 2, 1.
Much for sticking to the end of this video. This was a really fun one. I've literally been planning this makeup look for like 1.5 years now, and I do believe this embodies the spoopiness of my inner Halloween character. So thank you for watching, and thank you, MŌDA, for sending me these awesome brushes. And you guys, big announcement, giveaway alert. Oh man, whoever this is attached to is going flying. All right guys, so here's how you enter the giveaway. This is an Instagram giveaway only, so what you're going to need to do is go over to Instagram, give MŌDA Brushes a follow, and Witte Artistry a follow. You're gonna find the picture that I've clearly posted on my page that shows that this is a giveaway, and you're going to like the photo, comment underneath it, tagging 2 spooky friends that you think need to see these brushes and this makeup. And you have to be a US resident. I apologize for anybody that's outside of the US, but right now shipping is insane to other countries. So sorry, but if you're in the US, you are able to enter this contest. So guys, go enter, it'll be awesome. These brushes are so much fun, super colorful, and great for blending eyeshadows and powders, you know, for Halloween. And also, huge shout out to my wonderful Patreon producers. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thank you so much for funding my dreams, helping me eat, getting brushes, getting paints, paying for electricity. Like seriously, you guys are amazing. You blow my mind. I love you, and happy Halloween. Have a fantastic time. I am already having a great time with this look. I'm gonna be taking so many pictures. Goodbye! See you in the next video.